So friends, today we are again with the Sony Xperia XA Ultra dual SIM, which unboxing we have made. So today we shall see what is other speciality and specifications of this. So let us I have already using it since last 3-4 days. So the device is very good, but there are some problems, and I'll discuss in another video that what are the problems in this device. Today we shall just see that what is their specialty which makes it different from other mobiles. So first we go to these themes. So friends, this time Sony has given good themes in the mobile, and this is the black theme which is by default provided in this mobile, and another to that this lime theme and this rose theme. So suppose if we apply this rose theme, then this mobile, after applying rose theme, comes to something like this. I personally like this theme very much, but the black theme is much better than in comparison to other themes which are provided in the mobile. So we just again put it on the this black theme, and now we again jump to the settings, and now from settings we go to the wallpapers. And in the wallpapers, the Sony has provided different selection of wallpapers from Sony Xperia wallpapers which are there, and apart from that there are some static wallpapers which we can use separately for home screen and lock screen. And next is friend, we now come, these are the beauty and fancies. Now we go to storage and memory. So this is the very weak part of this mobile, because this mobile is having only 16 GB internal storage. So after installing my applications, required applications, the mobile has covered along with the OS 12.27 GB in the memory, and from that I am available only with 3 and some odd GB in the mobile, which is very low looking to the present applications and other requirements of the user. So this is really very weak part of this mobile, that only 16 GB memory is provided. Now we see the RAM, and in RAM department also the mobile is not suits to my requirement, because even after 3 GB RAM the mobile presently is available with 325 MB free RAM. Suppose if we close all the applications, this is the multitasking, and I have already cleared all these applications, so you can see that there is no other app is opened, but even still after that the presently free memory is 325 MB only. And now friend, move to the battery, which is again a very weak part of this phone, because I have used this phone. This phone is having 2700 mAh battery, but it is having 6-inch large screen, and the display quality which Sony is providing, it is consuming a very lot of juice of the phone. Therefore 2700 mAh battery is very minimal for such type of phone. Therefore even after normal usage I could not operate the phone for more than 4 or 6 hours. So this time I have charged it in just 2 hours back, and the battery is 68%. So friends, this is the very weak part, and the battery is really very big issue for this phone with such type of display. One more thing friends, that this is 6-inch large screen, therefore the company has provided this single-handed operation shift from the full screen. For that you will have to enable it, and after enabling you just have to from corner move up to this, and this phone shifts to single-handed usage, and you can shift it here or here. And again in the same manner, if you touch this button, then this phone again jumps to the full screen. Then friends, we come to this about phone. This software which is running on Android 6 version. So Android 6 is default software on which Sony has made some skin and customization, and after that this phone is giving very good experience as far as Android along with Sony skin experience is concerned. Along with that, Sony has provided this support, and from here directly we can register our device on Sony support system, and whatever problem we are having, we can directly raise the issue, contact us, support forum. This forum is there, and this forum is you can join it and you can raise your issue, or you can search out the solution of your issues. So friends, this was a very brief review as a user's perspective, and apart from that, I just say that this environment which Sony has provided, we can create folders, and Sony has given too many bloatwares. I have disabled around 5-6 Sony applications, Xperia applications. Even after that, this bloatware is also even after 16 GB memory, this bloatware is also a very big issue. So overall experience of the feel of the mobile is very good, but there are these 3-4 issues. So friends, thanks for watching. I will come with some other view, and good luck.